Subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon for your daily dose of sugar.
Hi guys, I hope you all are doing well. So for today's video, I am going to show you how I created the smoky eyes. I used minimal products, so let's get started. So I'm going to be using the Grand Finale Dewy Setting Mist and I'm going to be spritzing it all over my face. With the help of a beauty blender, I'm going to be spreading it all over my face. Taking the face forward primer stick, I'm going to be applying it all over my T-zone, and wherever I have large pores, I'm going to be blending it with the help of a brush. This is my favorite part. Tell me yours in the comment section. I'm going to be now filling my brows with the help of the Arc Arrival Brow Pencil. I'm first going to be brushing my brows using the spoolie and then I'm going to be filling it. Brows are all done, so now time to apply some concealer on the eyes to prime my eye for the eyeshadow. I'm going to be applying it on both the eyes and I'm also going to cover up the center of my eyebrow. Concealer I am using is the Magic Wand Waterproof Concealer, and this is by far my favorite concealer. If you guys haven't tried this, then you must try it at least once. It's amazing. Using Blend the Rules eyeshadow palette in 02, I'm going to take this brown eyeshadow and I'm going to apply it all over my crease. And blending is the key, you guys. Blend, blend, blend. Using Stroke of Genius Heavy Duty Kohl in 05 Black Magic, I'm going to be applying it on the lid and I'm going to blend it with a pencil brush for a better precision. Moving on to the base, I'm applying the Ace of Face foundation in 32. I'm going to dot it all over my face and then I'm going to spritz some dewy spray so that we get a dewy base, and then I'm going to buff it with the help of a buffing brush. What is your favorite product from Sugar? Please don't forget to mention it in the comment section down below. Taking the Magic Wand Concealer, I'm going to apply it underneath my eyes and wherever I have dark spots, and I'm going to blend it with the help of a brush. We all hate creasing underneath the eyes, don't we? I'm applying the Dream Cover Mattifying Compact in the shade 15 underneath my eyes to avoid creasing. You can see how immediately it mattified my under eyes and it took away all the shine. This is a must-have. Using the Contour de Force palette, I'm going to be contouring my face and applying the blush. Sugar launched their new variants of the Kohl Intense Kajal. I'm using 05 Go Green and it's amazing. Lash Mob Limitless Mascara. I'm going to be applying it on the upper and the lower lashes. I'm also going to be setting my brow hair with the mascara. Taking the Wingman Waterproof Microliner, I'm going to be hiding the lash band. Don't forget this step, guys. This is a very important step, to always hide your lash band. Taking Contour de Force palette, I'm going to take this highlighter shade and I'm going to apply it on the highest parts of my face, and oh my god, just look at that glow. I love that dewy glow. Taking the Satin Mettle Lipstick in the shade 07, I'm going to apply it all over my lips, and oh my god, this shade is stunning, you guys. I love it. This is it, you guys, for today's video. I really hope that you enjoyed watching the tutorial. Please let me know in the comment section down below what would you want me to create next. I will see you in my next one. Till then, take care and bye bye.